Cockroaches, moths, and ants will stay far away from your home. With this trick, they'll never show up, or you'll get rid of them quickly. This mixture has another amazing use, which you'll discover at the end. You only need 4 ingredients, and I'm sure you have them at home. If not, they are inexpensive and available in any store. Start by preparing a bowl. Pour in half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Add a few cloves. Just like vinegar, they have a strong scent that ants, moths, and cockroaches hate. Next, take a lime and peel it. The peel is what we need. If you don't have a lime, you can use a lemon instead. The last ingredient is alcohol. Add 2 teaspoons to the mixture. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a funnel to transfer the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it in areas where these insects tend to appear, such as the trash can and surrounding areas or pantry shelves. You can also spray it on plants affected by pests like thrips or whiteflies. No matter where you use it, the results will be fantastic. This is how I finally got rid of a problem I had been struggling with for years. A simple trick, and it works better than I expected. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil. Use it as a base for the mixture. Take a cup, turn it upside down, and cover it with foil. Carefully remove it without ruining the shape. You'll have a tall foil bowl. Place it on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee has a strong smell that repels insects. Add a handful of cloves. They have powerful antibacterial properties and repel thanks to their eugenol content. Finally, sprinkle in some cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal effects and releases a strong aroma that enhances this trick. Turn on the stove and heat it up. Once the mixture starts to smolder and release smoke, spread it throughout your home. It's a natural and effective way to get rid of cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes, and other annoying insects. No chemicals needed, just products you already have in your kitchen. After using this trick, you won't find cockroaches, ants, or flies in your home anymore. It's a cheap and effective way to keep pests away. Grab a small pot, add garlic peels. They have amazing uses, but most people don't know it and throw them away. Peel an onion and toss in the outer layers and scraps left from cooking. Pour in 7 ounces ml of water. Turn on the stove and wait for it to boil. Once the water boils, remove the pot from the heat. Use a metal strainer to separate the liquid from the peels. Now, add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. It has disinfecting properties and preserves the mixture, so you can use it for weeks. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap as well. It changes the surface tension of the water, making the spray more effective. Grab a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture. And that's it. Just spray it on windowsills and anywhere you've seen insects. It also works great for daily cleaning of kitchen counters. Pests will stay far away. Safer than harmful chemical insecticides, so you can confidently use it in your kitchen, even inside food cabinets. Just a few drops, and you'll get rid of multiple problems. Prepare a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It works as an excellent attractant. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which has neutralizing and expanding properties. Next, pour in some vinegar, well known for its cleaning and repelling effects. Finally, add dish soap to help distribute the mixture more effectively. Stir everything vigorously. See a syringe to apply the solution into window frames, especially in small gaps where unwanted guests might enter. Apply it around balcony windows as well to prevent cockroaches from getting inside. This natural method not only keeps insects away, but also works as a great drain cleaner. Just apply it and rinse with water. It's fast, effective, and chemical-free. One simple trick, multiple solutions in one. Scoop up the mixture and pour it into the corners of your home. The problem will disappear for good. Prepare a smaller bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, which acts as a bait. Next, add some baking soda, which when combined with moisture and other factors, triggers a chemical reaction that boosts the effectiveness of the entire mixture and makes it much more powerful. Now add a few pumps of dish soap, which helps the mixture stick better to surfaces and last longer. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Then take a syringe and fill it with the prepared mixture. Apply it in the corners of your home. Spread the mixture especially near the sink, where there is access to water and food residue. Also apply it in the bathroom, in corners, near drains, and in damp crevices. This is one of the most effective home remedies for cockroaches that you can use right away. Sugar plays a key role here, acting as a bait that attracts insects to the mixture and increases its effectiveness. This is how I got rid of cockroaches in 5 minutes. I didn't need any expensive products for this. A simple transparent container is enough, which will serve as a container for the mixture. Then prepare sugar, preferably brown sugar. Due to its structure, it combines the other ingredients well and ensures that the mixture glows evenly. Add 2 heaping tablespoons. The next important ingredient is baking soda. It is a popular household product, valued for its neutralizing properties and wide range of uses in the home. Add about 3 tablespoons. To the mixture, add 3 tablespoons of coffee. Its intense aroma is very characteristic, and many people use it in home remedies for repelling insects. Prepare the wick of a candle and place it in the center of the mixture. Then, carefully light the wick. When the smoke and scent begin to rise, many cockroaches will avoid the area from a distance. It's best to place the mixture near a window, balcony, or terrace, where insects appear most often. Some also use this method in places where flies show up. This way, peace will reign in the house, and unwanted insects will finally stop appearing. Do this, and your home will be free of bugs. Insert a bar of soap into a bun. Most people aren't aware of this method. It can solve many problems. But first, take a bar of soap and grate a small amount using a grater. The soap not only works as an antibacterial and disinfectant, but also as a repellent, making it the perfect base for this mixture. Next, add some toothpaste. The toothpaste makes the mixture stickier and helps it adhere longer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is key. It not only provides the right consistency, but also enhances the effects of the other ingredients. Mix everything well until the components are fully combined. Now, add small pieces of bun, which make the mixture even more appealing. Mix once more, then transfer the mixture onto jar lids. Place them in your food cupboard, where insects tend to appear. This will eliminate all kinds of pests. This solution works just as well in places like the drain or the entrance to your home. It's a simple, inexpensive, and extremely effective method that will completely solve your problem.